Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, roof rack. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.